You might have seen various contact forms or newsletter subscription forms in almost every website you have come across. So what I mean by contact form is a form like this in which you need to fill your information like your name, email address, and then you can send a message to the author of the website. And if I go to this page, here's a newsletter subscription form, and if I fill my first name and last name here and then I give my email address here and I click on this subscribe button, this information will be sent to the author of the website. So in this video we are gonna see that how you can also have a contact form like this in your own website. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open your website and go to the page in which you want to have a contact form. Then go to your back end, just click over the title of your website and just click over dashboard here. Here what you need to install 3 plugins. So you need to go to plugins, click on add new. Then here at the search bar, just search for Elementor. Install and activate these first 2 plugins, which says Elementor Website Builder and Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So I have already installed it. So you need to install them first and then click on activate. Also what you need here, you need a plugin called WP Forms. So if I search here for WP Forms, you can see here I have this plugin by the name of Contact Forms by WP Forms, and this plugin here will help you to build a contact form or a newsletter subscription form for your website. After installing and activating all of these plugins, just go to your installed plugins section, and here if you scroll down you will see these plugins here. First one is Elementor, then we have Essential Add-ons for Elementor, and if I scroll down we have WP Forms Lite also. When you install WP Forms, you will have a WP Forms section here in the left sidebar, and you need to just hover your cursor over WP Forms, then click on add new. Here in this window you can decide which form you want for your website. So it has pre-built forms for simple contact form, a newsletter subscription form, so you can just directly click over these. And if you want to start from very beginning and make a contact form on your own, just you can start with this blank form also. So we need to make here a contact form, so we can also click here. So I'll click here, and as you can see our contact form is now ready to publish on our website. But here you can see we have this title, simple contact form. Let's suppose you want to change the title. So what you can do, you can just directly click over this title here and you can change the name of your form here. So let's suppose I want my name to be like ABC, and also you can change few things like submit button text. So you can also change the text here. Once your command is being processed, so this text will appear sending, and if you want to change the text you can also change the text here as well. Now we have these few options here the left hand side. If I go to fields again, we will reach to this window, and you can see here our form title is now changed. Here in this bar we can change few things. If I click here, we can see we have a label option here which says name, and if you want to change this label we can also change it here. Currently it's showing 2 fields with first and last name. If you want to add a middle name also, you can just select this format and go to first, middle and last in this manner. Currently it's saying a mandatory section. You can see here we have a red star. If you don't want this section to be mandatory, you can just uncheck this option which says required. For now I am just checking this section, and here we have advanced option also. So if I click here and scroll down, we can see here we can manipulate these field size. Currently field size is set to be medium, and now if I choose small here, you can see here we have small fields, and if I choose large here it changes to large. So let me set it for middle again. Now if I scroll down we have few other options, hide label and hide sub labels. So if I check this box, we can see here our label is now gone, and if I hide my sub labels are also gone. So let me uncheck both these options and keep it as it is. Here in this section we can also change these features like label, and we can manipulate the label here. Let's suppose we want email to be written something like this, so we can also manipulate these things. If you want to make this section as mandatory section, just keep this required box checked, otherwise you can uncheck this. And similarly, in the advanced option we can manipulate the size of this field. So currently it's set on medium. If you want to make it small, you can make it small as we have done earlier. And now if I go to this box here which says comment or message, we can also change its label. We can make it unrequired section, and if I go to advanced, we can also change its field size, and we can limit the length of the characters or words here as well. Let's suppose we want only 500 words to be shown here, so we need to type here 500 instead of this 7. So if I type here 500, the limit of comment or message will be 500. Now we have this button here, submit button, and if you want to change its appearance and look, we can change it later as well. So now our form is ready to publish. According to our wishes, we have edited few things here. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to click over save. After saving this, just cancel this, go to your site again, then open the page in which you want your contact form to be added. Let's suppose I want to add a contact form here. Also I have one contact form here, but I need to add another one. So what I will do here, I will just click here at the top which says edit with Elementor. Now in Elementor, search for WP forms. So we can see here we have this one, WP forms, with a mark of EA, which means essential add-ons. So if I drag this here, we can use it for our website. So let me just open a new one and drag it here, and currently it's asking me for a form selection. So if I scroll this, and we have these few forms, and if I select the one with the title of ABC that I have created just now, so that form will appear here in this manner. Now we can manipulate few things here as well. Let's suppose we have a title of ABC and we don't want to show this title. So what we can do, we can uncheck this box here, and now our title is gone. Similar way we can hide descriptions, labels, and few other things as well. Let me enable labels here, and now if I go to style and if I hide this window, here in the bottom we have submit button, and if I open this one and scroll down, we can manipulate the properties of this button as well. Now you can see here we have background color option. Currently it's on normal, so if I change its color to black, and we have text color, let me make it white for now. It's showing something like this. Now let me give it a border radius, so it will be round from all the corners. So let me give it a border radius of 30, and you can see here I have changed its appearance. Now if I move my cursor over this button, nothing will happen, and we want to have a feature, or we can say a change in color like this. So how can we do that? What we need to do, we need to go to hover here, and in hover we have few other things like background color. So we can change its background color to red for now. You can choose whatever you like, and let me make its text color white here. Now if I move my cursor here, you can see here there's a change in color, and this is how you can change its properties as well. So that's it for now. This is all about the contact forms for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming awesome WordPress related content. So that's it. Thank you so much.